Coach Bricks. Back, man, just finished a workout. Cold day up here in the Northeast, cold, windy, typical February weather. I just finished one. My point I just want to stress out to you, I don't care how old you are, really don't. You can accomplish anything you want. All right, this goes for your workouts, for life, whatever you aim to choose to do. If you put 100% effort into it, every single time you step out there, you can accomplish anything. I just finished the workout, tried a brand new exercise. Getting older, some of these exercises sometimes feel like, man, they're difficult. But when I put my mind to it, can accomplish anything. I know people tell you that all the time, but you got to believe it. If you don't believe it, it's not going to happen. If you continue to allow that old age of, hey, I'm this old, I can't do this anymore, your body doesn't feel well anymore because you don't take care of it. Simple fact of life, you don't take care of your body. You need to eat right. You need to make sure you take care of it by working out. All right, whatever kind of workout you do. You got to keep it mobile. You got to keep the stabilization in it, working all the small muscles as well, and keeping it healthy. You got to take care of those things if you want a healthy body. Now, if you want to go to the doctor all the time and live that life and get the pills, go right ahead. Do what you're doing. Probably nothing. And then guess what? You'll have it. All right? But if you want to have something better in life, you want to get rid of those aches and pains, and you wake up to, oh, man, I'm getting old. I have kids. They wear me out. Well, you know what? That's just an excuse. Do kids wear you out? Trust me, I know. I got a 4-year-old and a 7-month-old. Trust me when I say that. And I have to run my full-time job. That's life. But I don't let it stop me from accomplishing what I want to do. All right, I keep pushing myself, keep working as hard as I can. That's what you got to do. All right, if you're struggling out there, you got to find that motivation. My motivation is those kids. My kids. All right, my 4-year-old and my 7-month-old. All right, and my wife. Spending time with them. That's my motivation. Helping the youth out. When I work with all the kids up here at my gym, that's what I want to do. I want to help them out become productive members of society. If I'm working with older clientele, I want them to stay as healthy and pain-free as possible. Can we do it? Yes, you're going to have some nicks and bruises here and there along the way. No question. But there's no reason why you wake up every day sore, hurt, in pain, taking medication, popping pills. No reason. We got to get off that addiction, all right, that we have in this society, this quick fix stuff. Well, my back hurts, so I'll just take this pill. Nah, man, fix the problem. Fix the problem. Find out what's going on, and then fix it. Stop masking it. Pills don't fix the problem. They just mask the pain. All right? Especially those pain pills. They're just masking pain. Stop masking your pain. It's time to buck up. It's time to dig deep down, and time to accept the challenge in life that you want to feel better, that you want to be better. All right? None of this stuff, well, you know, I'm old. Forget that. It's time to buck up. It's time to make sure you got to make things happen. All right? Remember, my saying is greatness never rests. Don't let it rest. Continue to improve yourself so you can be great each and every day, each and everything you do. Make yourself greater. All right? You guys can follow us, CoachBricks.com. All right? We write a blog there, podcast. You guys can listen to some of the athletes, other people that I've interviewed. You know, they're talking about their struggles in life and what they're trying to accomplish now. It's a great thing to listen to. Download it when you're working out. You're going to hear some good stories. These aren't these big-time celebrities or these big-time sports stars that I'm talking to. I'm talking to everyday people. Yes, some guys played in the NFL. Some guys are done. But guess what? These are everyday people that struggle to make something better of themselves. Guys that are still struggling, trying to get there to that next level, whatever it is in life. All right, so follow that. You guys can download it from iTunes. But get out there, man. I'm just telling you guys, stop making the excuses. We got to change our thought process. We got to change our society, get back to that positiveness, and get back to working and being the best we possibly can. So this is Coach Bricks, man, signing off. Continue to work hard, man, and remember, greatness never rests.